Hi, Dr. Greywoode.
Hi, good afternoon, Myisha.
I was doing some reading and I saw something about clinical trials being an option for treating my IBD. Based on what I've heard about clinical trials, I'm not sure if it's something I would do. Can we talk about it?
Of course, clinical trials can be a bit confusing. How can I help?
Well, I've heard clinical trial experiments on people sort of like guinea pigs, and that you won't know what you're getting. Is that true?
Not at all. Clinical trials are how researchers find ways to improve treatments and the quality of life for people with a specific disease, like IBD. Clinical trials are just one of the stages in a long and careful research process to develop and test new ideas.
How safe is clinical trial?
When you decide to enroll in a clinical trial, a research coordinator will review a document called informed consent with you. Informed consent should help you understand all the possible benefits and risks of the trials. If you decide to enroll, the research team is always available to answer any questions or address your concerns. And of course, you can always change your mind and drop out of the trial at any point.
Does participating in clinical trials take the place of my regular doctor appointments?
It does not. Standard prescriptions, tests, and procedures are needed for trials, so you should keep seeing your primary doctor. Just be sure to keep them updated on your participation in the trial.
My current medication is pretty expensive. Really expensive. And I can't always afford it. Can I access treatment through the clinical trial?
If you're eligible and your doctor and the study team agree you're a good candidate for a medication trial, you may receive study drug free as part of that study.
That all sounds great for new therapies, but I'm still a little nervous. With all the stories I heard, I just don't really know what to trust.
As a healthcare professional, I understand the lack of trust and fear that exists in communities of color and why that may keep you from joining a clinical trial. But research has advanced over time to ensure there are safety measures in place for all participants. It can be especially beneficial for diverse patients to participate in trials because it helps researchers learn how treatments may function differently in different populations.
Knowing you understand does make me feel better about enrolling. Do you have any trials you can recommend for me?
Yes, I think there are a few options available that might be a good fit.